Two of them.
It's our first time with Kibble, and we might be a little enthusiastic. There's really plenty of room for everybody at the bowl, but apparently if we can sit in it, we save more for ourselves.
It's like staking your claim.
Yes, they are staking their claim. They're doing really well. Boy, yeah, everybody's eating well. And of course, most of it's out.
Lavender's newest to the table, and she just laid in the middle of it and
She
started
did.
eating. That's hilarious.
It was right here. You did really good, big girl. Yeah, we're crunching and chewing.
I'm surprised Navy Blue just went to town.
Yeah, he did. Okay, who's coughing? Too much in your mouth at one time?
Yeah.
Dad, take care of that for you. Thanks, Dad.
Be careful.
Pretty good. Yeah, you really don't have to lay in the middle of it to eat, but that's okay. We'll learn. We'll work that out. Apparently we like it a lot. Yeah, very good, kiddos. You're doing awesome.
We're good, yeah.
Good job, guys. Whew, just mowing it all down. You should sleep good after this.